Hello everybody, it is June 3rd, 2017, and I'm out on Allen's Lake in the Irish Hills today with my RDE-16. This is the same one I did a video on the pond with a couple weeks ago, and all I had to do to this one, thanks to Lloyd's basically prepping it for me, was go through the ignition with new points and condensers and a set of plugs, and after that it's ready to go. I'm out in my Sea Nymph 14R today. With this motor, it pushes the boat about 25, and this boat likes to run about 20, and it gets a little funny after that. So we got good, nice, smooth lake today, so it'll still be okay. So we're gonna hang on here and see how it does. I'm gonna have to use my right hand. I can see that. Hang on, here we go. Back and forward. It's got a pretty nice idle for such a big old girl. Alright, that'll do it on this one. Till next time, thanks for watching. And keep your prop out of the mud.